Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be very short and sweet. I'm going to show you guys how I grew my eyebrows from home. As you guys can see here, my eyebrows are looking whack and they are in desperate need of help. Unfortunately, I can't see my eyebrow lady during Corona, so I'll be doing them from home. Okay, so in the first step, you need a spoolie. I just happen to be using the one that is attached to my Benefit brow pencil, and this is what it looks like. And with your spoolie, you're just going to comb your eyebrow hairs upward. Okay, so because this will help you see the small, short, unwanted hairs that underneath your brows that you'll need to pluck. Second step, you'll need a pair of tweezers. Grab any pair of tweezers as long as they're sharp. These tweezers that I have in my hand are by my sister-in-law and has her company's brand on it. Unfortunately, she isn't selling any right now, but as soon as she does, I will be putting it in the description box below. So now I'm just marking out the shape of my brow. As you can see, I'm not going to go too far off with the natural shape of my brows. And I'm looking for any fine hairs that are growing back in since my eyebrow lady waxed them, and I'm plucking them out. When you are tweezing your brows, just take your time. It is really easy to over tweeze your brows, and then unfortunately you're left with a shape that you didn't want. So just take your time, make sure you're checking back in the mirror continuously. Just like how you tweeze underneath your brows, you have to tweeze up top as well. So again, you're looking for small, short, fine hairs that are growing back in, and you're just going to tweeze them up top. Again, take your time. You don't want to take too much hair out of your brows. Alright guys, so third step, you're going to need a pair of small scissors because now it's time to trim your brows. This is one of my favorite parts to do. I don't know why, it's just like satisfying to do. So again, you're going to grab your spoolie and comb your brow hairs upward. This is going to help you see any long brow hairs that are longer than your brow shape, and then you're just going to trim them. When you're trimming your brow hairs, just take your time, be very slow. You don't want to cut too much hair off. Alright guys, so last step. In my hand I have an eyebrow razor. You can get these from the dollar store, you can get these from Walmart, Amazon, you can literally get them from anywhere. Okay, so with my razors, with a little bit of pressure, I'm just bringing my razors towards my brow on an angle. Okay, when you're doing this, take your sweet time. These razors are very sharp. Don't put too much pressure when you shave your brows. First of all, you don't want to cut yourself. Second of all, you don't want to cut your eyebrow because it's very easy to cut your eyebrows with these razors. So just take your time, get as close to the brows as possible. This will help your brows look nice and clean and defined. And repeat those exact same steps on the other side. Alright guys, so now I'm just looking at my brow shape, making sure I'm satisfied with my shape. As you guys can see, my brows are more of like a natural thick shape, and that's what I was going for. I didn't go too hammer time with the tweezers. I wanted to stay relatively the same, and I am thoroughly satisfied. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.